As painters, we love laying down a glossy coat of clear, achieving a beautiful finish, especially for our customers. But do you ever find the silicone or chip that's been missed during the prep, only after the vehicle's been baked? Well, PainTeX UV chip repair kit is the perfect solution. Our UV clear coat dries in 5 seconds on small silicone-sized imperfections, which is perfect for keeping the paint shop flowing where efficiency is a must. Being able to save panels from costly reworks if the silicone is in a visible area will not only benefit the painter, but also keep profitability in the job. And not to mention, our UV torch has a perfect power output and wavelength to cure other brands' UV putties, primers, so having your own torch to hand will also help speed up the prep. The PainTeX UV chip repair system contains a UV torch, UV clear coat, 100 applicator sticks, a handy rubbing block, all contained in a handy little carry case that will fit right in anyone's toolbox. So if you require any more information, please visit the website www.paintex.shop.